to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. 1, do your research into the company. 2, buy low. 3, sell high. I got the kid into investing. I had my first kid at 18, started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people. Yo, what's going on out there? How y'all doing out there, YouTube land? It's your boy, Brother DJ, tapping in with y'all on this frosty, frigid Friday night. You know how I do it, Wolf on Wall Street-ish. We getting it in. It's all about the money, financial freedom, and all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Squadcast TV, Junkyard Gang. Shout out to all the Squadcast members and Junkyard Gang members that's not in the building with me right now. Y'all know who y'all are. Last but not least, shout out to homeboy Midwest Matthew. Appreciate that, brother. Y'all know I got the respect for him. Last but not least, let's get to the money. Fuck it. Let's get to the money. Long story short, the market's terrible right now. God damn it. The market's terrible. We know it. You know it. I know it. Everybody know it. And the market is terrible for a couple reasons. Well, a plethora of reasons. But we're going to get into a couple of them today. All right. Number one reason why the market is struggling right now, before I get into my Robinhood account that I've been sharing with you guys since eons ago, is a couple reasons that I think from my research that I've done. Number one is the correction that they're doing. This is another correction period that we're going through, guys. All these stocks that were super inflated, you know what I'm saying, just skyrocketed to the moon, that we all love, enjoyed, and that we all made money off of, and pop bottles, and, you know, did our thing. Now they're coming down back to reality. All right. And I said this before a long time ago, that this is when we was going through corrections then, months ago, 4, 5, 6 months ago, that it was going to happen again. And here we are. You got all these guys doing this massive sell-off, because that's what's going on. You got a massive sell-off, and then it's dropping the stock price. All right. Not only you got that, you got the inflation that's going on, shortages. We talk about this all the time. There's so many factors that is causing the market to dip. The only thing that's really popping right now is oil and renewable energies and stuff like that. We'll talk about that when I get into the account. But times like this, five heartbeat stuff. Times like this, it's either gonna make you or break you. You know what I'm saying? Because I really direct this message to the people in the community who really think that they can't make no money in the stock market, you know what I'm saying, because they don't really have a lot of money or whatever the case may be. So I know right now y'all are really feeling the burn. Trust me. I know. Trust me. I'm with y'all. You know what I'm saying? As y'all lose, I'm losing too. You know what I'm saying? Just at a different magnitude. But I've been sharing that with y'all. So y'all already know. But it's either going to make you or break you. Are you going to be a long-term investor? Keep solidifying your positions, just taking advantage of these low stock prices right now. You know what I'm saying? Or are you going to sell out, sell all your crypto, sell all your NFTs, and or whatever the case may be, all your stocks, and just take whatever money you can and just get out, and then try to hop back in later? The only options you got, really, you know. But you guys already know my perspective on this. I'm a long-term person. I hold everything. I hold everything. I'm, you know what I'm saying? I might sell something, but I never really take the profits and put it in my account. I always sell something, but then I'll get into something else and just keep it going. Y'all already know this. But with that being said, let me go ahead and get into this account for you guys. I appreciate you guys being with me on this frosty, frigid Friday night. Woo! Okay, so Today was a green day. You know what I'm saying? For me, hopefully it was a green day for you guys because there's been so much red going on. It's crazy. But this particular portfolio that I've been sharing with you guys is currently up just 2.5%. I don't care if it's 1.5%. I don't care if it's 0.5%. Anything that's in the green, trust me, I'm taking that. Believe me when I tell you this. So I'm up 2.57% today. Even in after hours trading, you know, I'm up just a little under 0.5%, but I'll take that. We're gonna, you know, and run with it. Let me go into the stocks. You know, nothing really changed. I haven't really bought anything. I haven't really sold anything because if anything, I probably added on to stocks that I already have just because the stock prices have dropped. But I haven't really gotten into anything new because of the volatility that's going on. So I'm just kind of sitting back and watching. So with that being said, I'll get into the portfolio. Cisco, Ford, Twitter, Fuel Cell, Prague, Tesla, Apple, Nike, Microsoft, Oracle, CrowdStrike. Hey, I just seen a commercial for CrowdStrike too. Y'all doing y'all thing. I appreciate that. You need to keep doing good in the market too. Morgan Stanley, Starbucks, Coinbase, and good old Coca-Cola. Good old Coca-Cola. Overall, like I said, it's been a green day. These particular stocks, I've just continue to add on. If I'm gonna make a suggestion, now mind you, I'm no financial advisor, so you know you don't have to take my word for it. I'm just giving you guys my knowledge from my journey in this, how long I've been doing it. But if you're gonna get into the market now and you're aware of everything that's going on and you're a long-term investor, I would look into getting into companies like Apple, Nike, Microsoft. They've been around for eons and they're still going to be around. They might not shoot up right away, meaning stock price, but you know, slow and steady wins the race too. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, Apple right now is at $170.68. I mean, this is a far cry from what it was. I'm not gonna lie. My position in this, I'm still up. I don't even know how the hell I'm still up, but I'm still up over 36%. Thank you. But Apple will be something I'll be looking to get into. I mean, they're at $170, but they had a 52-week high of 182.94. So I mean, that lets you know that they have the potential at 170 to shoot back up to the 180 range and then even eclipse that into the 200 range. I'm not saying that's going to happen in like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, but I'm just saying check next year, 2023. Believe me when I tell you this. Shout out Apple, Nike. You know, their stock price, they're up just 1%, but stock price right now $145.95. I'm up just a little over 16% in this particular play. But I mean, the 52-week high on this is 179.10, and it's at 145. This is, I don't really see. I mean, I don't want to say I don't really see it going down because everything's going down. We all know that. That's not going to act like so if it continues to go down, even at 145, it hits the 140s. Hell, even hits the 130, 135s. You got a couple $100. Go ahead and get you like 2-3 shares and ride that wave out. You know what I'm saying? Seriously. Ford. I've been talking about Ford for months. Ford Motor Company. I've been talking about Ford for how long? Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Ford for under $20. Under $20. It's all about when you get into the position, which is what I'm trying to tell you guys now. While the stock price are getting beat the hell up, this is time for you to be loading the hell up. I'm just saying. I'm up in Ford right now just over 26% because I got an average cost per share of $15.54. That's when I bought in. Ford did have a 52-week high of $25.87. I was a part of that wave. And then we crashed and went down a little bit. But that's okay because we're still up. That lets you know the potential of the stock, because I told you guys about Ford, how they start making the trucks, the EV trucks, the pickups, how they've been selling like crazy, and everybody wants them. There's a waiting list for them. Shout out Ford. So there are plays that you guys can get into. There are things that you can sit back and watch. That's kind of like been my position. Like I said, I'm not buying any new stock right now. Like if I'm doing anything, I'm adding to my position, just sitting and watching. But crypto game is definitely suffering as well. I'll do another show and we'll talk about crypto. I'll probably do one at the crib, at the house studio, and we'll get into the crypto game, because crypto has definitely been super volatile. I mean, all my crypto warriors out there, we definitely been struggling. Shout out Money Man, all coins in the red. I'm gonna get them half off. I've definitely still been doing my thing. But we'll talk about that and get into that on another one. So with that being said, peace to the family. Y'all keep subscribing and hit the like button and all that other good stuff. One.